Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nilofa here again with another video in Python programming. So in today's video we'll be talking about a very basic programming code in Python, which is finding out a number if that is 0, negative or positive. So this is a very basic program and a very easy program that I will do that within 2 or 3 minutes. But before that, let's know how to check 0, positive and negative numbers, and as well as let's know what is positive number, negative numbers, and as well as obviously you know about 0. So positive number, any number greater than 0, and the next one, negative number, any number less than 0. So how can we just start coding that in Python? How can we just do that? It has a very basic programming code. So first of all, we'll start with a variable called number. It can be a user-defined. For example, first we'll go for a user-defined variable, number equals to 12. And then we just need conditional statements so that by using them, we would find out that either a number is 0 or positive, or the opposite case, that is negative. So now I'm going to use the if statements here. If the number I have defined above or initialized, which is 12, if that number is greater than 0, then don't forget the colon here. After indentation, print for me that if any number greater than 0, obviously that is a positive number. So we'll just simply print it is a positive number. And then we'll use elif, which is the shortcut for else if number equals to 0, then what will happen? We'll just simply print obviously it is 0. And then the last statement without having any condition, else if the first condition is not true, and the same case goes with the elif condition, then obviously third condition will be true for us. Then print for me it is negative number. It is a negative number. Now let's just check our output and see what the output shows for us. And yes, the number which was user defined and which was 12, now it is obviously a positive number. What if I enter a number, for example a negative number like -20, and let's just check the output here. And yes, the output shows it is a negative number. What if I just initialize the number with 0? And now let's just check the output and see what the output shows. And the output says it is 0. So that's it. And now what if I go for a number that I have to just take input from the user? So for that is very easy. We'll go for the input function. As you can remember, that input function always returns a string for us. So for that you need to do the typecasting, and for that I need to go for the typecasting, and I will use the int function here. So input, enter any number, and now don't forget the closing bracket here, and let's just check the output here. So the output asks enter any number. For example, I'll enter 45. Let's just check the result here. It says it is a positive number. Okay, let's go for another try. Enter any number. I will just enter a negative number like -3. Let's see what it shows for us. It says it is a negative number. And for the last time, let's go for 0. And yes, it says it is 0. So as you all saw, this was a very easy program and a very basic code in Python. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If yes, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yes, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, happy coding everyone.